Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you all are doing well. Now I am back with another video lecture, and this is one of the most requested lecture for you all, as I have received so many requests that ma'am please make a video regarding uniform circular motion etc, regarding the basically circular motion. So I am making a video for you all to make this topic easiest for you all. If you are new on my channel, kindly do subscribe the channel and do like and share the video as well. Now let's start without wasting a time. It's in front of you that uniform circular motion. Before starting uniform circular motion, one should know what others type of motion are. Like in daily life, we are not just dealing with the uniform circular motion, we are dealing with another type of motions as well. First one is linear motion, and that's the easiest one. Any motion that is only in one direction or in one dimension, like you are walking in a certain direction or in x-axis, y-axis, or any single axis, one dimension, it is called linear motion. Like simple, you are walking, it is one of example of linear motion. The second one is circular motion or rotatory motion. It is called a motion when the path of object is circular. Let's suppose you are having a thread and a stone is attached with it, and you are making it to move in a circular or rotatory motion. That is called a circular rotatory motion. That is the example of it. Now the final thing that we are going to study in this topic is oscillatory or vibratory motion. Keep in mind, the motion of object along a fixed point is called oscillatory or vibratory motion. Few more definitions are that to or fro motion and back and forth motion. What it basically says, let's suppose a object is moving along this point, and this point is called a fixed point or a point that around which a body moves, and this point is called mean point or mean position. Let's say a body is moving like this, back and forth like this, or to and fro again like this. So this type of motion is called oscillatory or vibratory motion. Let's suppose you are having a spring in your hand and it is fixed with something, and if you press it and then release it, it will perform a to and fro motion. We will discuss this in the later video as we have going on with the video lectures. So we will study this one, spring of the motion, in detail. I'm just giving here an example of our oscillatory or vibratory motion, as I have given the example of these two motion earlier. Now moving on, in front of you, this is your periodic motion. So what periodic motion is? Here we have took an example of a simple pendulum that is performing vibratory or to and fro motion. Keep in mind, vibrating motion of a simple pendulum, and when your simple pendulum is repeating its motion after a fixed interval. Keep in mind, this is the thing that is very important, that whenever your simple pendulum or any object that repeats its motion after a fixed interval, what says fixed interval? After a fixed time period. Keep in mind, we will study the concept of time period in the later video. So whenever your object repeats its motion after a fixed interval of time and vibrating, it is called your periodic motion. But not all periodic motion is vibratory motion. Let's take an example of a motion of your earth. It completes its cycle or repeats its motion after 365 days. So it is called your periodic motion, as it is having a fixed interval but like of 365 days, but it is not vibrating. That motion comes in the circular motion. So that means that not all periodic motion is vibratory motion. Keep in mind. Fixed interval means a certain time of period. Let's say when we took an example of simple pendulum, let's suppose it is having a time period of 2 seconds. So how it goes? It goes like goes here, then came back here. 1 second of going back and 1 second of coming back, and this is total as called 2 second, and it is called its time period. I hope you have understood the introduction of your most requested and important topic, that is your circular motion. We'll continue the same topic and continue it in detail, inshallah, in the next videos. I hope you have understood as I said earlier. Kindly do subscribe my channel so that you can get the notification of all the upcoming video lectures. Allah Hafiz till the next video.